If you're seeing condensation or even a bit of frost forming on the glass of your enclosure during winter, don't worry. This is completely normal, and it's something most homeowners experience at some point. To keep things simple, condensation occurs whenever warm, moist air, such as inside your home, comes into contact with a cold surface, such as the glass panels of your enclosure. Since your enclosure uses single pane glass, the glass panels match the temperature of the outside winter air. Each time you open any door from your home to your enclosure, some humid air will escape your home and enter the enclosure, instantly condensing into tiny water droplets on the glass panels. This occurrence is completely natural and not a defect in the porch enclosure or the glass. In most cases, condensation appears when the house door is left open for too long. But you may notice that even after closing the door, the condensation still remains. This is due to the warm air remaining trapped inside the enclosure and having nowhere to escape. Once the air begins to cool down, the condensation will go away. If you notice that condensation forms inside your enclosure, regardless if the door has been opened or not, you may have an air leak around your house door. Fortunately, you can usually spot air gaps visually. Next time it's dark outside, check for light coming through the gap between the door and the frame, as well as the floor. That's a clear sign that warm indoor air is leaking into your enclosure. To further reduce the condensation buildup in your enclosure, you can also increase ventilation by either cracking open any enclosure window to allow in fresh air, decreasing the humidity inside your home by using a dehumidifier, or most importantly, by just keeping the house door shut when not in use.